pantheon of Iron Man villains, I doubt very seriously anyone has Blizzard very high up on their list. Especially this version of Blizzard, who actually went to work for Tony Stark for a little while. And he's a tough character to justify in a collection, but I thought, you know what? Just because he exists, I'm going to keep him in the collection. Again, this is from that collection I bought a while back, and I do dig some of the things about this figure. I mean, the mask looks really good. The paint job looks awesome. I love that they put some sheen on the blue. It just makes that pop. And I would have liked some ice effects, but oh well. Hasbro can't give you nothing, man. Swappable hands, maybe? Nah. No hat, you know. But, just for the paint job alone, I mean, I think it works really good. I don't hate it. I'll say it that way. I don't hate it. Do I love it? No. I mean, he's one of those characters, like, he's more of a background character than anything. I'm probably going to end up putting him in, like, somewhere in the background of the Masters of Evil and just call it a day. Because it's just, after that, it's just, what do you do? I noticed this one's a little loose. I don't know if that was, he came in the collection that way. I don't know if he came out the box that way. I'm not going to knock it against him because it might just be, overposing or something like that. I mean, it happens. Uh, most, I mean, the majority of his joints are tight. The chest is where you really notice it. In the head, he's really loose. So, I don't know if other people have loose figures like this. Let me know because, yeah, I mean, everything else feels smooth and works real well. He's not a major villain, but again, that paint job just wins me over. I'll give him 4 stars for that paint job. It just looks really good, and I don't notice any flaws on this figure. I mean, I'm sure there is one somewhere that I'm just not noticing, but I don't notice it. It's not very apparent. So, yeah, that's pretty much my viewpoint on Blizzard. Uh, don't forget to like and subscribe.